Red Dead Redemption is now available on your Netflix app. And if you have a Netflix account, you can easily play this game on your Android or iPhone. For this video, I'll show you how to install RDR on your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store, search for Red Dead Redemption. Now install the Netflix version of Red Dead Redemption. If you see an error message saying this device isn't compatible, then your phone most likely doesn't have the specs to play this game. But if you don't see an error, then simply finish installing the game. After that, tap on Play. Now sign in with your actual Netflix account. Properly enter your credentials. Then tap Sign In. After you're signed in, tap on your profile. Make sure to create a game handle beforehand. Now let the game install the necessary setup files. Depending on your internet connection, this may take a while, so let's wait a few minutes. Make sure to download every additional file for the game. Once it finishes installing, open the game and start playing. RDR is a GPU extensive game, so you may experience a bit of lag in mid-range devices. Anyway, as long as you have an active Netflix subscription, you can play it for free as long as you want. That's how you get Red Dead Redemption on your Android phone through Netflix. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick guides. See you in the next one.